Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into an Excel sheet step by step. Open your Google Drive, new file upload, desktop, and now see this PDF on document, double click, upload it. Then right click on your mouse, open with Google Docs. Wait some moment, then select your data, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C for copy, then open your Excel new sheet or create a blank or new file. Okay, then paste, press Ctrl V, or okay, then Mars, press Ctrl V, alignment, increase the text size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.